Have you encountered some of a problem like this? You spend, say, 3 days on a specific drawing, and once you finished, you say, hey, yeah, I finally finished it, I'm pretty proud of myself. And then you realized the thumb part is not correct. So what is this? What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh, I got a poop on the face. It might not necessarily be the poop, it's just, just for just for fun. It might be some of the drawing, some stroke at the place that you don't want, and you don't know when you draw that specific stroke, and you can't possibly find this specific stroke as well. So because you got like all sorts of crazy layers, you won't be able to find it. So how to do that? Because if you create a new layer and you want to draw above this, you will mess up with the original drawing. So how to find that specific layer where this specific bad stroke that you accidentally draw? Pretty simple. You just need to click here. And by the way, you're watching a series of video of 1000 procreate tips, and it's William Jiaming. So if you see my videos helpful, do please give me some up and all that. Yeah. Okay, so you just need to click here, and then you choose preference, and we got gesture control. Okay, so click here, and then you can get the layer select, because you're going to select specific layer. And I switch on the third option, which will be this icon plus Apple Pencil. So Apple Pencil, while holding this, will invoke layer select. I choose this because it will not conflict with the eyedropper. If you look at here, one of a famous functionality, and I use a lot, is using eyedropper. Okay, it will not conflict with it, and you just need to touch and hold. So some people love to do this, holding this and click Apple Pencil. It will result in conflict. So if you switch this on, it will automatically switch this off. Okay, but in this specific scenario, I'm going to switch it on and have a little bit conflict, but don't worry, we can still touch and hold. It's my preferred way of using eyedropper. So once you've done that, you just need to hold here and click it. You can see it's layer 36. Okay, so it will automatically select layer 36. So you can see it's really small, and just need to select that specific layer. If this layer is have multiple things, not just one thing, you can just erase this, and you're good to go. Okay, hope this video is helpful. Please give me some up and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, I tend to make I do look every comment and suggestions, so I tend to make my video concise. Okay, so that will be all. Bye.